another way to import data into your project once you create a new project is to use the open remote file feature. So you need to have some type of remote service. In this case, we're using Connect. So on the Home tab, I'm going to click on Open Remote File. And it's going to go out, it's going to ask us what our external service profile is. So you'll see here that I've got my Trimble Connect one. And I can go and navigate to the path where this Connect data is being stored. So if I kind of back myself out here, you can see that I'm picking North America in this case. And then these are the projects that I have access to. So I have the CEC subdivision project, and you'll see that I've got drawing files and LandXML files. So if I go into the drawing files here, I've got some drawings that I can bring in. So maybe I want to bring in this road and profile drawing, and we'll go ahead and click on open. And what that's going to do is it's going to open that remote file, and it's going to import it in just like we would import in by either dragging and dropping or using the import function and feature. So we'll let this process for a second. So it's almost complete. You can see it's about 75% complete. And then when it's complete, we'll go ahead and cancel or close this dialog box. It shows us we have some warnings or errors. We'll say no, we don't want to see the review. And it'll go ahead and load the data into the graphics view for us. So now you can see we have all that information in here. There's my line marking. So again, I can toggle the line marking off, as well as delete some of this stuff. So I can go ahead and delete that. And then we can come in and zoom in and take a look at the data that we have. So again, this is just the CAD data, so we can review our line work, other information that's here. We don't have any surfaces or other data, but we do have, we can open up another remote file and bring in the LandXML file of the surfaces into this project.